Oh, hey everybody, it's John again on my channel, Musings of a Marine. You're probably wondering where the heck I am. Well, I'm telling you, I'm in the middle of the sea somewhere on a sandbar, and we're just off the coast of an island called Virgin Island. And we'll go there eventually, but part of the tour is to hang out here on this sandbar. It's a very small island. Diana reminded me of that this is kind of like the Jobby Nooner excursion where you go out to Gull Island on Lake St. Clair. So it's a good comparison because that's pretty much what it's like out here. But we are literally in the middle of the sea, and then it gets deeper before we get to the island. And you can see these small huts out there. Those are fish traps. We've got other people on their tours here doing the same thing. I already fell into the water before we got to Balakisig Island, so I'm just keeping my short pants and underwear on. It doesn't matter at this point, they're already soaked. So, but I've got a whole bunch of people out here. Babalooey here, and
I'm just pulling the anchor.
yeah, and we got a couple of anchors tying us down. A little bit of shrubs growing in here. I don't know if I mentioned it, but on the way to Balakisig Island, we actually saw a couple, or at least I saw a couple of sea turtles on the surface. Baba and Di did not. They missed out. So anyways, here we are, and you can see off in the distance another island that we believe might be Negros.
Don't go to the different color of water. There's sea urchin there.
Okay, and Di, as usual, is reminding me that of what I'm supposed to be doing. So, but anyways, I believe that's the island of Negros off there. There was a big mountain peak that we saw earlier that was probably the Kalawan volcano, I'm guessing. But when we were on Balakisig Island, we were only a half-hour boat ride from Dumaguete, the second largest city on the island of Negros, and of course the island of Siquijor, and Di's favorite island that she'll never go to because she believes there's voodoo and witchcraft going on over there. So that wasn't part of the tour, so we didn't get to go to Siquijor. You can see so many more boats out there doing their thing. Yeah, I mean, this is just like fun, you know, and you've got cranes off in the distance if you can see them, that for more development taking place. I believe that's still part of the island of Bohol there. Paradise Island we're going to get to in a little bit. It is much smaller. Said it's a little bit bigger than Gull Island though, and there's a building there and an old boat, so there's got to be something there to do and worth seeing. But in the meantime, we're stopping here first so we can go ahead and play in the sandbar for a little while and cool off. So I'm going to do just that, take a little dip in here, and until then, we'll sign off for now. Thanks for tuning in. Like the video if you think it's good, and we will talk to you next time.